Want a simple grocery cart without any installation and without any library and any frameworks, just in simple Python, completely a Pythonic way. Let's start this one. Okay, today I'm going to illustrate a simple Python shopping cart. So for that, all we need is import OS. Okay, once we have operating system, that we need for opening in the browser. I want to show display in the browser as well. That's why I am importing OS. So now, just as simple, print. I'm printing the title. Welcome to grocery shopping. Okay, so that is the title. There will be no styling, nothing. Okay, just simple. And then we will create a list of products. Products equals is a list. So as you can see here, going to be name. I'm going to buy bread, comma, price is going to be 249 and quantity. Okay, it's going to be, I'm going to buy 2 breads. Okay, so that is one. Let's do another one. Name. The second item is going to be milk. Price is going to be $5.99 for a 4-liter bag. And quantity is 1. Okay, that's item 2. Let's do one more item. So this is going to be eggs. A dozen eggs. Okay, so quantity eggs. This is the error here. I forgot the colon. Instead, it came that. Okay, so we have the list of the grocery items. Now let's add them to the cart. Def add to cart. And here I'm going to show you the simple way of adding to the cart. So I want to add more than one product. That's why I'm going to use this product.extend function. It adds multiple items. So here it's going to be like this. And again, name, I'm going to buy next bacon. And price is $4.99, item 1. Similarly, I'm going to buy cheese. Okay, so these items two items I will buy. So price is going to be $2.99. Okay, just make up items. Okay, so we have these items. Now return. I want to do list comprehension. That's why I'm doing this. Dot join this and this. Oh, there is some here. So I want to bring it down so that we can see this. Okay, so here it is. join F. I am not going to do item. I do not need, I'm going to do simple. So here is going to be item or item in products. So not enumerating here, we're just going to do this. Okay, so no more adding another line. So F item dot name. I do not need this again. Item dot name, item dot price, and I do not need to give it a title. I'm just going to do item dot quantity. Okay, item dot quantity. So this is list comprehension for item in items. Okay, this is how we'll return that. Now let's create a function, calculate total. All right, so that's calculate total. And here also I'm going to do very one-liner. Return sum is a function, item dot price, item dot quantity in this. Okay, return sum, item of price times item of quantity for item in products. So that will give us this. Now to display in the browser, we have to embed this in the HTML. So this is how my embedding going to do. So HTML content equals 2, 3. Here I am not going to write doc type. I'm going to go to straight HTML. HTML, and then I'm going to go down to head, and within the head I'm going to do title. Okay, so that title is going to be grocery cart, is going to be shopping cart. Okay, head is done. Now we come to the body part. Body and H1, I'm going to do H1. Okay, so here is going to be my shopping, grocery shopping today, my grocery shopping today. Okay, that is H1. I'm going to do H2 with the products, and then with a pray, pray tag, I'm going to call the function. What function? Add to cart function. Okay, with that, right? With that, I'm going to call at the end. Now I'm going to show the total. H2 total cost. Okay, and here I'm going to include the total cost today. I'm going to call the function itself here, total function. Okay, where is my total function? Yeah, calculate total. Calculate total. I call that. And then I am going to show only in two decimal points. Okay, so that is that. And now close the body. Okay, and then close the HTML. All right, so all we need to do now is just so that I can show it. So here, now once we have that, we just save HTML content to a file. Now with open shoppingcart.html, with open, I'm just going to say grocery.html, and uh, the mode is going to be w as file, print write.html content. So all we need is now showing in the system, in the browser with OS system. All right, for that, all with that OS dot system, OS dot system, this start grocery.html. Okay, so you see, with just these few lines, we are ready to show it. Now run it. Let's run it here. Python. What is the file name? Move ahead.py. You see, shopping cart is here. Shopping cart. Okay, now you can see we have this shopping cart. So you see, there is no styling or anything, but you can see with the local path, we have been able to code the shopping cart in a very simple way. This is all with Python. Also, in other words, we can call it Pythonic ways, because there is no installation of any libraries, frameworks, nothing. Just whatever which is available with Python, we, we are able to do this. So you can see Python is so powerful. You can do so many things, from minimalist approach, which this is, to including many files. As you can see, Python has GUIs, Python has web applications, Python has simple application, Python has data science, Python has mathematical calculation, numeric calculations. All is possible with Python. So today I just wanted to show you a quick, it can serve as a motivating factor for the beginner. So how simple it is, with a few lines of code, you can sew a shopping basket. So thank you for listening. Stay tuned in for more Python applications and more Python coding. This is the place where you learn Python, especially geared for self-learners who have not been a computer science graduates. Okay, so thank you for listening. Please support my channel, subscribe to my channel, and wait for more Python programming applications coming up. Thank you.